friends, welcome back to my channel. It's been a real hot minute since I've uploaded anything onto this channel. Just thank you so much for your patience and for those who stuck by and have been anticipating for this. Today I just wanted to give you a little short catch up on little tidbits of my life where I've been going through my headspace and give you a little mini tutorial on how to make these affordable stickers at home. I've been obsessed with making these stickers. It's just so accessible. It's definitely not my invention. I saw this on YouTube and I just had to try them. It's so fun to try new things sometimes. But I hope you enjoy my tutorial regardless and inspire you to create your own. I have been struggling to find the inspiration to draw. This is the first time I've drawn in a long time. This drawing was something that birthed from the birth. But it came from a flow that I haven't felt in a long time. And it's been far and few between lately. I've just been kind of burnt out with juggling with drawing for fun, drawing for other people, and seeing how I can make this a viable career. And it's just a lot of existentialism, and and a lot of time inward with myself and just figuring it out. It's just how life is, we can't always know all the answers, but you can always tackle things in the present moment as it is and just try your best, So I'm going to begin with the tutorial. You just need to have a wax paper, parchment paper, clear duct tape, and some safety scissors, which I had these since I was a kid, by the way. I just always had them, I guess. I just never threw it away. So what you're going to do is line the duct tape on top of the wax or parchment paper, like so. And you're going to put another tape on top, overlapping the line or overlapping the previous duct tape. Just make sure there's not any gaps in between. Like there. And I'm gonna go ahead and speed up everything. So you continue until all the paper is done and you can place your sticker or drawing on there. And what you're going to do is place another piece of clear tape on top. Pretty much doing the same exact thing, but this time just go slowly and carefully, just so there's no wrinkles. And again, like the previous, you're going to put tape over again, but overlapping that line or the previous duct tape that you've placed on top. And again, go slow, put it smoothly. And just gonna do that until it covers the whole entire drawing. Like so. Alright, and what you're gonna do is cut it out to make sure you leave like a little outline. I'm gonna make mine a little bit bigger than that is ideal or look aesthetic, just to give you an idea. But make sure you leave a gap when you're cutting out your stickers. Like so. And of course you can adjust and just cut it a lot thinner, but make sure you don't cut it too close to the outline or else the sticker is not going to work. There you have it. And you can do anything with this technique. Right now I'm gonna put my name or stamp my name, and I'm gonna make that into a sticker as well. And this is my favorite part of having a new journal, is placing my sticker right on top. It just has a great personal touch to it, and I love it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and just chilling with me. It means the world to me to have your support. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!